Hi, Himasri.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Himasri. Where are you from?
I'm from Bimbaram, sir, West Godavari district.
Okay. And what is your education
I
qualification?
have completed my MBA in Finance in Sheshadra Gudlavallar Engineering College.
Okay, fine. And about your family?
We are nuclear, sir. My father name is Chipo Rao. He was passed away, and my mother name is Cheese Lakshmi. She is a less advisor and her sisters. She got married.
Okay, fine. And how do you know about SVC?
I know about this institution in Google search, sir. I review that Google reviews. That review which helped me satisfied.
Okay,
So I joined this SVC.
fine. Good to know that. And what did you learn from SVC during these 2 months training?
I gain knowledge about the global accounting like financial statements, ratio analysis of financial markets and financial instruments and mutual funds derivatives. Sir. And that too, I have gained advanced Excel knowledge.
Good to know that. Okay, Himasri. And share your interview experience.
Yeah, sir, there are 3 rounds of interview. In HR&D, they are mainly focused on our communication skills, and coming to technical, they are focused on investment banking syllabus. Sir.
Okay,
Finally, they selected me.
okay. Good to know that. And when you are going to join?
I'm going to join on next week. Sir.
Next week. Okay, and what is the salary package?
My salary package was 4.2.
Okay, congratulations and all the very best.